Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall BlueStacks from your Windows 11 operating system. So there can be few ways in which you can uninstall BlueStacks on your Windows 11 operating system. You can see I have these icons or shortcuts which are there on my Windows 11 operating system for BlueStacks. So if you want to remove BlueStacks, let me show you the steps. So in the first way, which I'm going to show you, in that way you can search for BlueStacks here, and then you will be able to see all the BlueStacks related tools from here. So you can select the tools one by one and then click on uninstall from here. But I don't prefer this method. I prefer the other method, and the other method is by using the control panel. So just search for the control panel here and then click on control panel. And once control panel is open, you just need to view by category here on the top and then click on uninstall a program under programs, right? So you will be able to see all the apps which are there on your Windows 11 operating system. So you can see BlueStacks 5 is here, BlueStacks X is here. So I'm going to select BlueStacks 5 first of all and then click on uninstall option and then click on yes here, which is going to start the uninstaller for BlueStacks. And you can see this uninstaller has been started. So let me minimize this first of all. And from here, you can choose the reason why you want to uninstall BlueStacks. You can even check on each checkbox from here. Okay. And then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall, which is going to start the process of uninstalling BlueStacks on your Windows 11 operating system. So just wait for this process to complete, and you can see BlueStacks 5 is uninstalled and these icons has been removed for BlueStacks on my Windows 11 operating system. But still BlueStacks X is remaining. So let me click on complete, and then I'm going to go to this uninstall window once again. And from here I'm going to choose BlueStacks X and then click on uninstall and then click on yes, which is once again going to start the BlueStacks uninstaller. I can choose the checkboxes here and then click on uninstall, and then it's going to uninstall the BlueStacks X from my Windows 11 operating system. And now I can see that BlueStacks X is also uninstalled from my Windows 11 operating system. So I can close this window. And now you can see everything is removed related to BlueStacks on my Windows 11 operating system. Now when I search for BlueStacks here, you won't see BlueStacks anywhere. You can see the search result, but you don't see the BlueStacks tool, right? So we have completely removed the BlueStacks from our Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.